Good morning, everyone. It's Kelly with Blue Moon Estate Sales. Okay, you might be watching this at night, so it might not be morning. But anyway, you know what I'm saying. Hello. Um, we are going to do a quick tour of the house we have our sale at this weekend. The house, the address is Windsor, but it is actually right outside of Loveland. It's right up by the Budweiser Center. So come with me and let's go take a quick look. Okay, we're gonna take a quick go through in the the linens room. That's the word. I'm having a hard time already, and we're just getting started. So there is a queen size bed in here that is a select. What do they call it? Select comfort bed. Queen size, couple nightstands, and we've got our linens. We're going to go through the bathroom here. This is where we've got our office. There's lots of books here. You'll notice that there is the Ken Follett series down there. There's also several Tony Hillerman, I'm sorry. Just some kind of interesting books there. Got a lot of maps. I know I have people come in every once in a while looking for maps and other things like that. There's a microscope back there. And then a bunch of office supplies. We do have this guy here. It is oh my gosh, I knew this once upon a time. It is a guitar, and I'm drawing a blank. I'll put the name in the notes. It's actually a classical guitar. Out in the entryway, this is actually where you'll come in. You've got this beautiful sideboard here. We've got the china and crystal there. And then some albums, some picture frames. There is this great Toshiba turntable there. Couple slide carousels. We've got a stepper there. That's what they call it, a free motion stepper. Some cleaning supplies, beautiful lamp there. We do have a TV, couple alarm clocks. This is a sleeper sofa. I know, not everybody's favorite, but at least they moved it upstairs, so it'll be easy to get out of the house. Okay, this is where we've got all of the crystals, the not petrified wood, the crystals, the minerals. I've kind of got a mess here, but lots and lots and lots of minerals. There's also several fossils here, lots of fish fossils, one of which here is framed. Okay. Beautiful stoneware up there. Isn't that gorgeous? And then things there. We do have this table. It actually is a formal dining room table with 6 chairs, I guess. There's a couple spare extra chairs out there. And then we've got a sofa and love seat. Those are leather. Okay, when we come downstairs, isn't this just a beautiful, beautiful Bavarian? It's kind of an etagere type shelf. I just think it's beautiful. Lots of fall decorations there. Got a small little kitchen table, a couple more stools. This is where we've got all of our Christmas decorations. And she's got some really kind of cute Christmas decorations, some kind of unusual stuff. Couple more beautiful crystals up there. Pictures of the bigger ones are actually all out on my website. So you can go out and see those, and I've put names on the majority of them so you can kind of see what the different ones are. Cute little sewing cabinet there. Got a vintage Singer sewing machine back there, and that does have the case, or the topper, I guess, for it. Got some thread, some decor items. There's lots and lots of wall art in this house. So the gentleman who lived here is an avid photographer, and I think he's dang close to being professional quality. I think he has got some absolutely gorgeous pictures in this house. Lots of puzzles. Again, he was an avid puzzler. So we've got lots and lots of puzzles. He assures me that the pieces are there for all of them. Got an Elmo potty seat if anybody needs it. And then this is all kids' books. And look at the vintage roller skates. Oh my gosh, isn't that funny? Although I will say those aren't vintage enough to be what I used as a kid, because I was a kid in the age when we had the tennis shoes, roller skates. I know, I always go off on tangents, you guys, sorry. We're just kind of walking around at this point. All right, last bedroom. So this is where we've got all the clothes. There's not a ton of them, but everything that's left here is very nice. Okay, now we come into the storeroom that's downstairs. Not a ton in here. Got a little bit of luggage, some skis. All of these shelving units and the plastic bins on them are for sale. So if you're looking for storage, we got a ton of it. Okay, so there you go. There's our tour. As I said, we are out by the Budweiser Center. Even though the address is Windsor, I guess it is. We're really not in Windsor. We're kind of southwest of Windsor, out by Highland Hills Golf. No, not Highland Hills. Highland Meadows Golf Course. That's the one. That's kind of where we are. We're here Saturday 9 to 3, Sunday 10 to 2, and we'll hope to see you there. Bye-bye.